Good luck.
Dad.
Come. Why you looking at me like that? I don't want to eat.
But why are we poor?
What kind of question is that now?
Uncle, why is it that we are poor?
Are we poor? We are not poor now.
Then why are you drinking Gary?
That is my best food now.
Gary is your best food. That's how you be drinking Gary every day. Morning Gary, afternoon Gary, evening Gary. And not even that, you put sugar, you spice it, you put sugar, you put groundnut or Milo. The Gary is not even your own, you beg it from our neighbor. Where were you when Otodala, Dangote, Brigade were making money? Where were you that time?
See, good luck. You won't understand. You will not understand. You see, in our family, we are naturally poor. Understand? Our great grandfather was poor. He passed it to our father's father. Understand? Our father's father passed it to our father. Before our father now pass it to us. That is why we are poor now. Understand? So it's not like it's not like it's a new thing. It's not a new thing. We are naturally poor. We are born to be poor.
What of that your childhood friend that is buying G-Wagon, buying Range Rover, building house everywhere? Where were you when you started doing all those things?
Good luck, see, you won't understand. See those my friends then, they did something beyond their limits. Are you hearing me? They use their mother and their father for money ritual.
Why didn't you use your father or your mother to do money ritual? Someone will just come to the world poor and just die poor like that. Don't you know it's a waste? I will soon use you for my own money ritual. Because I don't want you to just come to the world like that. Poor and just go poor like that.
Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Blood of Zachariah.
Thanks for watching this sweet comedy video. Please subscribe, like and share. Please don't use your parents for money ritual. Please, it's just comedy. Please subscribe, like and share. Don't be stingy. Share with your friends. Don't be stingy. See you next Friday. All right.